Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to kick off the face wash challenge today. Today we are diving into the world of skincare with Rivaj's fantastic range of face washes. So let's start from Rivaj's Lemon Brightening Face Wash. It is formulated to provide oil balancing for acne control and help you to get clear, radiant and even complexion. And then Milk Extract Brightening Face Wash. It will deeply moisturize your skin and keeps it soft, smooth, healthy and glowing. It will also improve your skin tone for younger and brighter appearance. And you know what? Papaya Brightening Face Wash will gently exfoliate with papaya extract, minimizes discoloration, lightens dark spots, reveals revitalized and radiant complexion. And Bamboo Charcoal Brightening Face Wash is personally my favorite. It will detoxifies and purifies your skin, provides deep cleanse, reduce blackheads and whiteheads and promotes smoother and healthier skin. Cucumber Brightening Face Wash will effectively cleanse your face from pollution and impurities. It will help you to eliminate dirt, oil and restrict excess sebum and promotes brighter complexion. I loved Rivaj's face washes and they are highly recommended to try them out.